Hi everyone, in this video I am recreating a nail design that I did a couple of years ago, and I plan to do this in the future more. I'm going to explain why in the end of the video. Now for this nail design, I used 3 different gels, but you can use normal nail polishes. After I applied them, I blend a little bit the colors, and when I finish, I cured the nail. I apply another layer to make the colors opaque, and I don't forget to blend. If you try this nail design with gels, I really suggest you not to cure the nail immediately and just go and do your other nails. Like this, the colors are blending by themselves, and the transition between the colors, it's a lot nicer. After I cured, I take some gold gel and do some lines. 2 of them are thicker. After I cure, I go just a little bit with some gel top coat. I place the rhinestones and I cured. To make sure everything is sealed very good, I'm going to apply another layer of gel top coat I cured for the last time, and that's it. This is all for this nail design. Now going to the part that I wanted to explain. Okay, so I'm just a mess, but I decided to come face to face and tell you guys what I am planning to do in the future. So I'm planning to recreate some of my old nail designs, and I'm doing this because I have some nail designs that I really like, but the quality of the video is really bad, and nowadays I think people just don't have the patience to watch those tutorials anymore because of the bad quality. So I plan to recreate them, and of course they're not going to turn out the same because I don't have the same products like years ago. Also, I'm going to do them with gels instead of normal nail polishes, but I'm going to try to do my best for them to turn out exactly the same. So yeah, unfortunately a couple of days ago I hurt this finger. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I still have some gel on it, and I'm really afraid to file it because it hurts really bad, and I'm afraid to apply some hard gel on this nail. So I don't know what I'm going to upload next week, but yeah, I think I have some videos that I want to upload, but I just waited for the right moment. And yeah, this is all for this video. I hope you guys liked the nail tutorial, and see you guys very soon, I hope. Take care. Bye.